Dear student, this is the question number 9, and we have right now three matrices I 1 0 0 1, and matrix A is 5 minus 3 4 6, and B is equal to minus 7 3 2 8, and they're asking from us they find A and Y a product, and the second B and I it's also a product. So let's me prove these two products from the above matrices. Now matrix A cross with I is equal to, write down the element of A, 5 minus 3 4 and 6. Right now dot or product, element of I is 1 0 0 1 is equal to, so give a simple multiplication of matrices. Number of row will be multiplied with number of column. So this is row and this is column. 5 multiplied with 1 will be equal to 5. Minus 3 multiplied 0 will be equal to 0. Now 5 multiplied with 0 will be equal to 0. Minus 3 multiplied with 1 will be equal to minus 3. Okay. Now it is the time for the second. 4 multiplied with 1 will be equal to 4. 6 multiplied with 0 will be equal to 0. Now 4 multiplied with 0 will equal to 0. 6 multiplied with 1 will be equal to plus 6. So simplify it. 5 plus 0, 5. Minus 3, 4 and 6. This is the answer number 1. Okay. The second one is B cross I will be equal to, write out the element of B, minus 7 3 2 8, minus 7 3 2 8, with the product of 0 1 1 0 0 1 will be equal to a simple multiplication, that minus 1 multiplied with 1 will be equal to minus 7, plus 3 multiplied with 0 will be equal to 0. Now minus 7 with 0 will be equal to 0. Minus 3 with 1 will be equal to 3. Okay. 2 multiplied with 1 will be equal to 2, plus 8 multiplied with 0 will be equal to 0. 2 multiplied with 0 will be equal to 0, plus 8 multiplied with 1 will be equal to 1. Simplify it. Okay. Minus 7, 3, 2 and 8 is the final answer of question number 9. This is question number 11. That asking from us that A plus B whole transpose will be equal to A transpose plus B transpose. We will check left hand side, after that right hand side, and the second question is also same. A minus B whole transpose is equal to A transpose minus B transpose. We will apply transpose condition to both of them. After that we will add them. So the result matrix will be equal to one another. Let's check them one by one. Okay. A plus B is equal to 3 2 1 plus minus 3 4 and 2 will be equal to 3 plus 3 minus will be equal to 0. 2 plus 4 will be equal to 6, and 1 plus 2 will be equal to 3. Okay. Now taking the transpose of it, A plus B whole transpose will be, number of row will be changed to column. So 0 6 3. We have found out this one. Now The time is to find A transpose, B transpose, and after that we will add. Okay. So A transpose is A transpose. Number of row will be changed to column. So 3, 2, 1. This is A transpose, and B transpose will be equal to, this is matrix B, number of row will be changed to column, -3, 4, 2. Now we will add this. So add A transpose plus B transpose will be equal to 3, 2, 1 plus -3, 4 and 2. We will add it, it will be equal to 3 plus 3 minus will be equal to 0. 4 plus 2 will be equal to 6. 1 plus 3 will be equal to 3. So this and this is actually same. Mean we have proved that A plus B whole transpose is equal to A transpose plus B transpose. The second question is A minus B whole transpose will be equal to A transpose minus B transpose. Let's check this. Okay. A minus B is equal to A 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1 minus B element -3, 4 and 2. So this is a subtraction. We will subtract the second matrix from the first matrix. Okay. 3 minus 3 minus 3 will be equal to plus 3, so it will be 6. 4, 2 minus 4 will be equal to minus 2. And 1 minus 2 will be equal to minus 1. This is the first one. Now, taking whole transpose of it, that A minus B whole transpose will be equal to 6 minus 2 minus 1. Now it's the time to find A transpose, B transpose, and after that there will be a subtraction process. Okay. So A transpose will be equal to transpose 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. And B transpose will be equal to -3, 4, 2. -3, 4, 2. So subtract it right now. That A transpose minus B transpose will be equal to. So write down the element of A 3, 2, 1 minus -3, 4 and 2. It will be equal to. Subtract -3 from +3, and the product of minus and minus will be plus. So it will be 6 right here. Now 2 minus 4 will be equal to -2, and 1 minus 2 will be equal to -1. So here we have proved both us. Now this is the second part of question number 11, and that is C is equal to 7 minus 3 2 minus 1 8 is equal to 1 1 2 2. They are asking from us that find out the value of C plus D whole transpose is equal to C transpose plus D transpose. So first of all, we will take this side, and after that with this side. And the second question is also similar, but the sign is changed. Here is minus and there is positive. Okay. Now C plus D will be equal to, write the element of C, 7 minus 3 2 minus 1, and plus element of D 1 1 2 2. Okay, 7 plus 1 will be equal to 8 plus 1 will be equal to minus 2. 2 plus 2 will be equal to 4. Minus 1 plus 2 will be equal to 1. This is C plus D. Write down right now the whole transpose, that C plus D whole transpose will be equal to. So the number of row will be changed to the number of column, or the number of column will be changed to the number of row. A second condition also applied. Keep these two elements same, but change the undiagonal element minus 2 and 4. Let us apply it. 4 at 1, it will shift here. Minus 2, it will shift there. 4. It is the whole transpose of C plus D. So the first one is final. Now it is the time to find out the C transpose plus D transpose. Okay, C transpose will be equal to C transpose. This is the element of C. Transpose will be equal to, write 7 and minus 1 on its own position. 2 and minus 3 will change their position. After that, D transpose will be equal to, write the element same 1, 2, and this will change their position. Now, taking the subtraction of C minus D element. Okay, C transpose minus D transpose is equal to, C transpose is 7 to minus 3 minus 1, and here will be a minus sign. After that, 1 2 1 2. It will be equal to what right here? So minus it. 7 minus 1 will be equal to 6. Okay. 2 minus 2 will be equal to 0. Minus 3 minus 1 will be equal to minus 4, and 1 minus 2 will be equal to minus 3. Okay. So this is so simple question that whether, find out that whether this is condition applied or not. So it's not. Okay. Now the same value and the same process will be repeated in this question. Matrix C minus matrix D taking whole transpose. Here use just negative sign. Here negative sign. Here negative sign. So you will get a value right here, and then taking whole transpose. After this, you will take the whole transpose. Right here, taking the transpose of C and vector D, I have taken already, but here is only negative sign, and check them. This is easy, not that much difficult. Okay, stop it. This is question number 10, and matrix A is equal to 2, 5, minus 3, 4, and B is equal to minus 1, 1, 2, and 3. Showing you condition right here. A product B will be whole transpose equal to A transpose B transpose, and after there will be a product. So right here I will down, and I will take the multiplication of A B. So element of A is 2, 5, minus 3, 4. Element of B is minus 1, 1, 2, and 3. We will give a multiplication to it right now. Now, giving multiply, number of row will be multiplied with number of column. So 2 minus 1 will be equal to minus 2, plus 5 multiply 2 will be equal to 10. Okay, 5 with 1, 2 with 1 is 2, and 5 with 3 is 15. Okay. Minus 3 minus 1 will be equal to 3. 4 with 2 will be equal to plus 8. 3 minus 3 plus 4 with 3 equal to 12, and it will be equal to minus 2 plus 10 will be equal to 8, will be equal to 17, will be equal to 11, and will be equal to is called equation number. Now taking whole transpose of it. A, B, whole transpose will be equal to 8, 9, 11 and 17. Okay. This is the last tip that I have provided. A cross period of there is a transpose of A cross. So I have done it. Now I will check it that this is capable for applying the law of under multiplication or not. So now we will check that B transpose cross A transpose is equal to 8, 11, 17, 9 or not. Let's check this. B transpose will be equal to, taking the transpose of B. So this is B. Minus 1 and 3 will be on its own position and 2, 1 will change its position. This is the transpose. A transpose will be equal to, okay, 2, 4 will not change their position and 5 and minus 3 will change their position. Okay. So now let them to multiply. B transpose A transpose is equal to minus 1, 2, 1 and 3. After this, A 2 minus 3, 5 and 4. Let multiply. Minus 1 with 2 will be equal to minus 2 and 2 with 5 will be equal to plus 10. Now minus 1 minus 3 will be equal to 3 and 2 with 4 plus will be equal to 8. Okay. 1 with 5 will be equal to 5 plus 3 with 5 will be equal to 1 with 5 will be equal to 5 and 1 with 2 will be equal to 2 and 3 with 5 will be equal to 50. 1 with 3 will be equal to minus 3 and 3 with 4 will be equal to 12. Right? Let's check it. This is 8, this is 11, this is 17 and this is 9. So both are same and we prove that A cross B whole transpose is equal to B transpose cross A transpose. Question number last and the third question of for 12 main question, exercise 1.4 maths class 9 matrices. Okay. Therefore, a C is a matrix A, B, C and D. Find out C transpose after that whole transpose and check that whole transpose will be equal to again C. And it is easy and the most important question. It is a mind tricky question and may be used in different kind of exercises along with different tests after multiplication of student they are going out to college. Okay. So let's take first C transpose. C transpose, I had said you A and D will not change their position. C will be here and B will be here. This is the C transpose. Now, taking C transpose as a whole transpose. Now, A and D will not change their position. And C and B will change their position. So, it is again equal to C. Look here. A, B, C, D. And this is A, B, C, D. Means that if we want to take a transpose of a matrix and take again a transpose on that matrix, it will be equal to the original matrix. Thank you all. Follow me.